Friends, welcome to Review Therapy. Today we are here with a new and fresh episode of Review Therapy, and today we are here to review the most latest and upcoming smartphone, which is the Honor Note 10 with 6.95-inch display. So the phone has been launched in China and we are waiting for its global launch, and the rumors are that this phone will launch at the end of this month. So our review begins. So first of all, let's talk about its general specifications. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has the CPU octa-core 2.4 GHz 4 Cortex A73 processor and 1.8 GHz 4 Cortex A53 processor. It has the non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery. It has the main camera dual 16 megapixel and 24 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and its selfie camera is single 13 megapixel with aperture f2.0. It has the 6 or 8 GB of RAM depending upon your region where you live, and it has the high silicon Kirin 970 chipset, which means that the gaming will be insane on this smartphone. There will be no lagging, everything will be running smooth. So now let's talk about the smartphone. Honor finally revealed images of Note 10 in which you can clearly find out that this phone is true and it is going to launch soon in the global markets. Designs of the smartphone is also revealed, in which Honor Note 10's front panel is pretty clear and you can see that thin bezels are still there along with the brand name engraved at the bottom of the Honor Note 10. Fingerprint on the back means that they still did not get the chance to put the fingerprint reader under the display, while the dual camera laid horizontally seen clear on the back of the Honor's Note 10. In the latest revealed images, it is pretty clear that one of colors in which this phone is going to launch is gold, while on the front side of the Note 10 by Honor you will get the white color, which looks awesome. Display size of Honor Note 10 is 6.95 inches, which is bringing QHD resolution, and material used to build the panel is IPS. We know this far. So Honor Note 10 is speculated to come with Kirin 970 chipset, which is also used in another flagship device of this brand. Let's come to the memory department. The memory department of this phone consists of 128 GB built-in, while Note 10's RAM is 6 GB or 8 GB, depends on your region. Also, there are two variants. One consists of 128 GB and the other is of 64 GB. So let's see what they bring in the global launch. On the back side of the phone, as we have already mentioned, that dual cameras are installed, and main camera has dual lens of 16 megapixel and 24 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and its front camera is single 13 megapixel with aperture f2.0, and back camera of Honor Note 10 is capable to judge things because this phone has AI proficiency to judge the things by just taking a look at the shape and color of that thing. For rendering, Honor Note 10 got the turbo GPU, which is going to draw things even more fast as compared to the other technologies. So if you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update from Review Therapy. I'm again and again saying for subscribing to my channel because it gives us the motivation to make more videos, more technology videos for you guys, that you guys could understand the technology much easier. And that's all from my side. So as you know, at the end of the video we always show the full detailed specification of the smartphone. So for that you have to watch the video till the end. So stay tuned to our video, and we'll be right back with a new video with a new technology brand or with a new smartphone video or it could be any technology accessory, any gadget. So for now, that's all. Take care. Bye bye.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.